Play on the screen, so your friend Mohammed Alhassan Munkuyeli Obobo ma RTU Ghana Premier League no na goal involvement in the Ghana Premier League as we speak now. After match day 31 no 14 goals no was set 10 goals na ma RTU, the leading goal scorer for RTU. And now what 4 assists. Information ban the same. Once RTU baby omodano. Omoda relegation zone. Now according to an insider, and now Ochemu say one here Kotoko be fano. Sa RTU relegation one here Asante Kotoko is going to sign this particular player to be backing up Asante Kotoko forward in the event say Mukwala Beko Mukwala Nkwa still na Kotoko be here a backup striker. Now information I mean say can say player on the screen so Mankuyeli Alhassan ena Kotoko ede neni echere in the event say RTU for no ebenya relegation because Ghana Premier League no ha adene de one here say anebeye the bottom 3 no akoye Great Olympics Bofo Akwa and Real Tamale United. Hunu team bia apart from these 3 omo ebetima relegation because Dreams FC ono no uyi sa 3 teams free wa on neba no or 2 outstanding games and if you are na has so fukaba has so de meka bibia se nkiye nyina ye ntwe krase has be relegation and I'm senior citizens has so folk there any kwan say as Kotoko for obia krate ase say has in relegation say has co relegation say team one ha Ghana football no ebe ye den pa because Kotoko jinema was has jinem na ye compete each other na ye fe menhwe bom feel it say nra this season ewo stadium done and na Kotoko ne ha say bon ultimu say anigye no ewo soro always yes enti player no ye can ho asem you born ball ma RTU so are on the verge of going to relegation enti nkomodie I'm told say nkomodie ahase the insider no information on dey ma me say Kotoko have set eyes on Mohammed Alhassan Munkuyeli on that screen this week na obone ball Emma Brekum Chelsea actually Henry Ansu playing mate and in 2023 March around first round no baby or joining later or finish season with RTU and Osane RTU aginem this particular season. So a little bit about him no currently was 10 goals now RTU as I said with 4 assists Emmanuel Enya 14 goal involvement so far in the Ghana Premier League. Onye bad striker to be a backup for Asante Kotoko 4 lines so the enyoma bet 10 out to be Super 24 TV ye de yawaha nsamni nya bape beba be brum ewaha all right.